like this.
Hello, it's TechnoTux again. Today I'm going to show you how to install WorldEdit onto your server. WorldEdit is a very useful plugin. It helps you build things very quickly. So, let's get started. First you'll need the link. So you've SSH'd or secure shelled into your server. Let's go to where your server is kept. Let's have a look. We will go to plugins, wget, and then the link. This is another one we'll have to unzip. There we go. So start it up. Right. Believe I have this. Yep. One thing from the Essentials plugin we set up last time. /nick. My nickname is now TechnoTux. So let's test WorldEdit // help will be helpful. There you go, we've got a list of all the things we can do. So let's try them out. So to get up a wand, which you select things with, just do // wand. So you can select first with left click select position 1, right click select position 2. It's the most useful tool, and then we can build walls of wood. There you go. Our selection now has wood around it. So we can expand our selection. Let's expand it vertically. And walls wood again. Ooh, that's a big, yeah. So this goes from the top of the world down to the bottom. You can undo things with / undo. Boom. So let's select another arrow. Right, expand it 3 up. Set it to something this time. So set it to brick. You can also move something. There we go. Oh, yeah. So let's try another tool. We can copy. To get it in the place you want, when you copy, you'll have to be in a certain position. And that position you have to be in to get it to paste in the correct place. Like, ooh. So. Oh, not like so, that's a bit shabby. So let's cut the area. You see it goes. You can paste it. There it is. Oh yeah, you can do quite a lot with WorldEdit. Right, walls, set, the wand, and cut, the most useful. So this is TechnoTux, signing out. See you next time.